Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. And if you haven't subscribed and you've seen my channel before, or what are you doing, sis? It's free to support. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna get into some things with this hair, okay? We're gonna be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Outre, so thank you Outre for kindly sending me this unit. This is the EveryWear lace front wig in the style Every 10 in the color 2, and this is what the front of the stock card looks like. EveryWear is their A to PM style wig and styles that go with everything from day to night, uptown, downtown, or just across town. Stay polished with this ear-to-ear HD lace for a natural look that will keep you looking impeccable everywhere. That's cute. This is what the back of the stock card looks like. It does come in some specialty colors. It is HD transparent lace, heat safe up to 400 degrees. Baby hairs are included and natural ear-to-ear HD lace. So I will say that this unit was super easy. It does keep sliding back, but the cap size is big, you guys, so I don't understand why wigs do that. I don't know. Anyway, I will say that does have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. The lace is about this big, so I did not spray any lace tint on or put my foundation on underneath. I just went in along the hairline with my Juvia's Place palette in the color chocolate in the darkest brown, and I went in along the hairline just to make it blend in with my natural hair. I did leave some of my edges out, and I went in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 420, and I went in along the part of the hairline, and that was pretty much it. If you are new to my channel, please keep in mind that I specialize in lazy girl methods, okay? Especially for synthetic wigs. I do not like putting a lot of work into wigs. I just don't feel like it's beneficial to me. It's a synthetic wig. If it's a human hair wig, then that's a little bit understandable. You know, sometimes people like to sleep in it or whatever the case is. For me, this is coming right off at night, so I don't want to do a lot of work to put this on, okay? And it's synthetic hair. It doesn't last long anyways. So I will say that the density of this unit is really nice and thick, as you guys can see. It does have like a coarse texture to it, so keep that in mind. As far as shedding, I haven't had any shedding, just minimal tangling. I haven't experienced any tangling. This is fresh out the package, so also keep that in mind. I really do like this curl pattern, the wave, the blunt bob, wavy bob look. I like it a lot, especially with the part. It's cute. It does have some filler hairs up here, which is also making it a little bit more coarse. So if you have a flat iron and you want to go in and flatten it out a little bit, I think that would be just fine too. I like the puffiness of it, so I haven't touched it. Typically I would go in with my blow dryer just to flatten it out a little bit more. I don't feel like it needs a beauty stick to make it shiny. The entire look overall is kind of like dryish. If for some reason you don't like the dry look, you can add a little bit of maybe like oil sheen in it, just a little bit. But I don't like putting product in my wigs because again, it's synthetic. I want to keep the life of the unit as long as possible. So for me, I don't like doing that. but it's not a silky texture. So I do like this unit. It is an everyday plop and go. You can wear it, dress it up, dress it down. If you guys see my shirt, I'm wearing Susie from Rugrats. My mom got me this shirt. She likes buying me like cartoon character stuff. Like I would get socks, shirts from her all the time, even nightwear. So yeah, I mean, you can dress it up or down. I do like this unit. It's super cute, it's easy, and it's a plop and go. Yes. This unit does range on a few different websites in a $30 price range, so keep that in mind. Very affordable, and it is big hip friendly. If I haven't said that, I can't remember. But other than that, you guys, that's pretty much it. So thank you, Outre, for kindly sending me this unit. I love it. And thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It's free to support, okay? And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.